Hey everyone, welcome back to the UFO VPN channel. Ever wondered how to access location-specific content, grow your audience globally, or boost your business on Instagram? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to change location on Instagram plus why it matters. Let's dive in. So, why should you care about your Instagram location? The first is to expand your reach. Posting from a major city? Your content could hit thousands more users, skyrocketing likes and followers than people who live in a small city. The second is to discover global content. Craving Japanese food blogs or Parisian fashion trends? Changing your Instagram location unlocks geo-specific posts, stories, and reels. Finally, changing location on Instagram can help grow your business. Setting your location to a new city or country is a great way to discover influencers, bloggers, or brands in target markets. This provides an opportunity for collaboration to promote your brands or blogs. Alright, now, I'll walk you through every step of changing location on Instagram. Firstly, disable the Instagram location service on your phone. Go to Settings to search Instagram. Next, click on it and you will see the location option. Check Never option and done. Launch your Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Head to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner. Scroll down to find for Professionals option and choose Account Type in Tools. Choose the Switch to Professional Account option. If your account is a business account, skip the step. Then, back to your profile, find the Edit Profile option. Choose Contact options and Public Business Information. Select Business Address. Type your preferred location and save it. Using a VPN is one of the best choices to fake location on Instagram. VPN makes your online journey more private and secure, and lets you use and browse Instagram wherever you are. So we highly recommend UFO VPN to you. Let's show you how it works. Download and install UFO VPN on your phone. Next, launch it on your phone. At the first launch, please allow UFO VPN to add configurations. Finally, choose a country or server you prefer and tap on the Connect button. It's easy, right? So don't hesitate to use VPN to access Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.